At least two coaches have shared concerns about some of the aspects of the JFF's increase in voting members for the next election. More in this report.
On Tuesday, the local governing body for football in Jamaica ratified an increase from 13 to 56, the number of voting members who will determine the next president. But local coach and football analyst Andrew Price is concerned about the involvement of some groups.
I've always been of the opinion that all stakeholders that are involved in football should have a say in how the country's football is run and how the development process takes place in evolving the sport. My only concern is a lot of these groups are not functioning and established. And will they be functioning and established prior to the next election? That is my concern.
Meanwhile, former national senior men's assistant coach Bradley Stewart has also shared his concern regarding the inclusion of some members and the exclusion of others.
Beach football, does it have another structure apart from what JFF has as a structure, a competition structure? I don't understand that. Why would beach football that is inactive? Does the women's football organization get a special vote? You see, there are some inconsistencies. Who gets vote? Why are they getting vote as opposed to the other groupings then?
Stewart is also livid over the treatment of the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association.
It seems sinister, that you are getting more people now involved. You're giving all the parishes and the side groupings votes each, but you are now giving Kasafa, which is two parts, one single vote. I think that's kind of strange, though. It looks like you're sidetracking the Kasafa grouping, which is the grouping that has been, honestly, more vocal about how they think things should go.
Other change to the statutes of the JFF will see the number of directors cut from 19 to 11.